Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called PointsPrizes. Okay, now PointsPrizes is a GPT website, a get paid to take certain actions, and it's a make money online website. It's absolutely free, and I'm going to do a review. If you landed on this website, maybe you saw it on social media and you're wondering, can you really make money from this website? How does it really work? Is it just free gift cards, or can I actually get paid out in cash? And how much can I really make? That's the big question, okay? Because sometimes, even though the websites are legit, you have to ask yourself if it's actually worth your time. All right, so let's talk a lot about PointsPrizes today. Now, this is one of the legit GPT websites out there. There are a lot of different types of websites out there. Some are fake, some are real. The good news is PointsPrizes is a real GPT website, and you can really make money from the site, and you can also get paid by filling out surveys and downloading offers and watching videos. Okay, so the way this works is you can come to this website, log in and register for free. It's a global website, which is cool. That means you can be located anywhere in the world. Some other GPT websites are only located, for example, in the US, but PointsPrizes is a global website, which is awesome. That means you can be living anywhere and you can make a little bit of money from PointsPrizes if you take part in some of the activities that they promote. Okay, so the way it works is they've been around since 2016, and you can take part in a few things. So the first thing is you can take part in surveys. You can fill out surveys, you can pre-qualify for them. They are a survey aggregate website, which means that they work with other survey companies like Survey Time, for example, and they kind of farm you out to these survey websites. You have to apply, fill out an application, and then go through pre-screening questions, and you must qualify for the surveys. All right, so if you don't qualify, so for example, if you're from the wrong country, the wrong demographic, maybe you have the wrong interests, you might not be able to qualify for some surveys. So unfortunately, it does take a little bit of time to go through that pre-qualification process, because you might spend 10 minutes doing the pre-qualification questions and then you don't qualify for that particular survey, and then you have to restart the process all over again. So that is the slowdown when taking part in surveys. But if you do fill out surveys successfully, you get paid anywhere from 50 cents to $2 per survey. Unfortunately, what you can't do is you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day, because that's not how survey filling works. They will usually send you a survey whenever they get the right surveys for your demographic from their clients. That's how it works. So usually you might fill out maybe 1 or 2 surveys a week from one survey provider. Okay, so what you can do is you can sign up to multiple survey providers through PointsPrizes, and hopefully you get to fill out a little bit more surveys. But even then, if you think about it, you're still not even going to be able to make, $1 or $2 a day just from surveys. You might make maybe 50 cents a day from surveys. If you're lucky, maybe $1. Okay, and so again, you're not going to get rich. All right, so that's the surveys. The other thing that you can do is you can download offers. Now, downloading offers requires you to download certain promotions, right? And sometimes you might need to use your own credit card details, put in your credit card details, give it to them, and after you put in your credit card details, then they will give you a little bit of money and you will get some points from PointsPrizes. But then you have to spend money to make money for the offers, okay? Or you can cancel your credit card, but you just have to remember to cancel, because otherwise they would charge you in the future, right? With offers, you can make a little bit more, but again, it does take a long time and you're not going to make a ton of money. So again, we're talking about pennies on the dollar, okay? 20 cents here, 30 cents there. There are some good offers where they'll give you a few dollars. So it just depends on your luck and how many hoops you're willing to jump through for the offers. In terms of the videos that you watch, you can watch video ads, but again, you're getting paid pennies on the dollar. We're talking about, a sixth of 1 cent for every video that you watch. So you have to watch a lot of videos, even if they're 15 seconds long. You have to watch a 15-second video and then download another one and then watch another one, then download another one, and you're only getting paid a sixth of a cent per video watch. So you have to imagine it's going to take you a long time to rack up all these points, right? And all that income. So on average, if you were to spend maybe 2 or 3 hours a day on a website like PointsPrizes, you will make an average of between 50 cents and 80 cents per hour. So you can do the math, right? If you spent 3 hours a day on PointsPrizes, you could maybe make $1.50, maybe $2. All right, if you multiply that by 30 days, you're looking at about $30 to $60 a month, but you have spent a lot of time on the website. So it is 100% legit, but please understand that they're not promoting this service as a a retirement kind of fund, or you're not going to become a millionaire overnight. It's not going to change your life. All it is they're going to give you a little bit of money in exchange for the amount of time that you spend on their website. Now they have a $20 threshold. That means that you have to gain more than the equivalent of $20 in order for you to withdraw your money. And when you do, you can withdraw your money into gift cards like iTunes and Amazon and Google Play, and also you can use PayPal, so you can withdraw it as PayPal cash. So the first time you'll ever get to withdraw is when you hit the equivalent points for $20. Now that will take a while, okay? That might take you an entire month or 2 or 3 months, depending on how much time you spend on the website, before you hit that threshold. So yes, it's legit. It's one of the better GPT websites out there, 100% legit. But please understand that a website like this is not going to make you rich, okay? Because they can't. It's the way that the business model is structured is that they're not able to give you that much money for the amount of time that you spend. So pretty cool for you to get started if you've never made money online before. This is one of those legit websites where you can really make money, but you're not going to make big money at all, okay? So it just depends on who you are. But that's kind of my review of PointsPrizes. Hope you enjoy the website. You can come and check it out here, and you can be based anywhere in the world. But if you're watching this video right now and you're thinking, well, Aaron, I've got a bit of free time online, and I can spend it, learning how to make money on the internet, but I want to make the big money, okay? Then maybe PointsPrizes isn't the right website for you. There's a lot of other better ways to make bigger money, especially if you have 2 to 3 hours a day to spend on the internet, all right? If you would like to learn exactly how I've been able to create millions of dollars in an online business, I would love to show you how to do that. I've got a free 6-figure workshop that you can check out. Just click the link below, go ahead and register for the workshop, and then make sure you check your email and your spam folder, because sometimes email registrations end up in spam, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Good luck, all the best to you, and I hope to see you in the workshop, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.